Good morning and welcome to the full moon. Let's just take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just beginning to show up here. Begin to tune in to and resonate with your inner experience. To tune into and resonate with your inner experience. It's not about doing, it's about observing. It's not about thinking. It's more about sensing. Just switching over from the mode of thinking and into a mode of sensing, feeling. Allowing the opportunity and the invitation for any tension you're holding to release on its own without force. A kind of soft power. Tuning in this way allows us to tell the truth more and more, because more and more when we tune in, we know how things actually are for us. We learn more and more about our truth. We reflect that into the outer world. So a Lion's Gate portal, or any kind of gateway, really comes from our inner world into the outer world, in an embrace that holds them, that embraces the inner and the outer. It's quite possible that when we were young or in different areas of our life, it wasn't safe to observe and to tell the truth. But this safety can be healed now. And over time, we can learn to exercise this safety. Learning to share our truth into the world in a safer, more secure place. From a safer, more secure from a safer, more secure place. So this inner alignment, this inner resonance is something we can develop with this kind of gentle, soft power, a gentle, soft confidence over time, helping us see things as they actually are, from the inside out. And we know we're healing when cycles happen and maybe they hurt, but they bother us less. And we don't react the same way. I liken to the metaphor of driving your car and somebody cuts you off in traffic, and instead of immediately raising your middle finger, there's a pause where the emotion and the intensity of that moment can be reflected from a less and less automatic way. And I feel in my heart that that's a beautiful thing, to give ourselves space to be more and more present and less reactive. More and more coming from our true self, and less coming from reactivity and programming and the human condition. So when we ride the wave of the full moon, we ride the wave of our inner life, our inner experience, and become present. We become present and resonate from inside out. And in this way, it ripples out into the community. Thank you so much for taking the time, and have a wonderful day.